Okay, we're back with the machine. We was able to get the floor pan out, cleaning it up now, kind of going over, gonna have some rust repair in places on it. We was able to scavenge some of the other pieces out of the other car, and we're just gonna cut these out, fill those in, weld them in, grind them down, beat and bang. We got some rust repair to do back here. Just going to take and bend some new tabs to go across there and weld those on so that those can be anchored to the rockers. So I'll do a little cleaning up on it. Get rust repaired, get ready to put it in. It was good being able to get that out in one piece, so it's going to make for a nice clean job. Okay, back with the machine floorboard, prepping it, getting it ready to go, doing a little rust repair. Show you a little section here we've taken care of. Cut this piece out here, got it all prepped down, so metal's all clean, good for welding. We took our donor piece here and bent the ends of it so it'll crimp the ends of it so it'll fit in there nicely. So then we'll come from the underneath side of it. It should fit in there real good. Get done. Just something like that right there. And we'll take and weld that in there. Grind her down, put a little seam filler on it, call her good. And then we just have that place to do, and that place to do, that place to do, that place to do, just a few places to repair. But it's better than putting it in sections. Patched in, rust inhibited, and cleaned up, all ready to go. Got just a few places you have to clean up on it, and it'll be ready to go, but it is looking good. So there you are. The machine, putting the floor pan in.